Oh my goodness. I have never had it pop like that before.
Nice. Tell me, what's giving you trouble?
Definitely my neck, definitely lower back. I'd say really all my back. My neck is probably like the worst. I could like feel it pop when I do this, but it's not like a popping, it's more like you can hear like crackle.
What do you like to do for fun?
I lift.
Uh-huh.
So I just do a lot of lifting, and it's definitely hard whenever you don't stretch or do anything to really take care of it after, so.
What kind of challenges does that bring up?
I'd just say really more just being tense all the time, being sore. I'd say that's really the big trouble.
What do you have going on today?
I have work today at 1 o'clock.
Gotcha.
That's really it. I gotta go to the gym too after. I have my bodybuilding show on Saturday.
Nice. How do you feel about that?
I feel great. I'm extremely exhausted, but like I feel great. I'm excited to get it over with.
Just like cutting right now?
Yes. It's more like cutting off water weight right now.
Yeah, yeah. Feeling dehydrated?
Very. Oh my god. Wow. You can do
Crunchy.
this?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Not too bad?
No, it feels great.
Press your elbow back. There we go.
Yeah.
Shoulders here.
Yes. That felt really good.
Nice.
Ooh, that was easy.
Dang.
I told you.
Nice release.
I told you I could pop.
So nice and relaxed here. A little pressure. There we go. Good. Free vacation if you fall off. So.
Wow. That was insane.
How'd that feel?
That felt really good.
So what,
I thought it was
what was
something
throwing
different.
you off?
I feel loose.
Yeah?
That feels good.
Let's talk about it a little bit. What's
Yeah.
bringing you in? What's giving you trouble?
I have a lot of headaches. I would say that's probably like first concern. Have a lot of
Okay.
headaches. Sometimes I guess in the past couple of months I've noticed some tension in my jaw when I'm sleeping. I feel like it's stemming in my neck too. Same kind of problems I've always had, and my shoulders are just super crunchy and yeah, just super crunchy and painful. Mid back is probably the most like right between my shoulder blades, and that's kind of always been the case since I was like 15. Yeah.
All right.
That was great.
Good start
That
there.
was a good start.
A little tighter here.
Oh yeah, the right side is way tighter.
You would agree?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right here is normally the worst spot.
Tiny one. You feel it?
Yeah,
Okay.
tiny one. Ooh, that one's
It's a baby pop.
Yeah.
There we
Ooh,
go.
Little one too. Ooh,
That was the one.
yeah.
Press back. Easy. So I was feeling a lot of restriction through the mid back here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that was nice.
A little bit more here. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was the one there. Get this side. Already getting some here.
Yeah.
There we go. Breath in for me. And let it out.
Oh, yeah. That was really good.
Where do you feel that one at?
Mid back, honestly.
A lot
the
in the
most,
mid-back?
yeah, and like the neck, upper neck.
Let me get this one first. It's nice and relaxed here. Good. Nice.
I have never had it pop like that before.
Nice.
Yeah.
First, just stand up for me because we need everybody to see that you're a tall person. So excited to work with you today. Tell me a little bit about what's bringing you in. What's giving you trouble?
Well, one day I was in the gym. I like lifting a lot, and I went down to pick up a dumbbell as I usually do for like a row, try to pick it up, and it's usually not that heavy, but it felt super heavy, and I was like, what the heck? And I felt my ribs just all move at once. So just driving here 2 hours, I felt burning down here, just down in the lower back, obviously, and then
Are you sitting a lot?
actually, yeah, I'm sitting in
For
a
work?
very uncomfortable chair right
Yeah.
now. Yeah. So I box too, and Yeah, they're
There it
bad.
You get a little bit of scoliosis too. Wonderful. How'd we do there?
Good.
Feel okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now come over to this side. And do the same thing. Just drop this down. Right here. All right. A good start there.
Yeah.
Okay, just relax this here. Good. Wow. That was loud. Breath in for me. And let it out.
Ooh.
There it is.
Oh, God.
How you feeling?
Pretty good. Can I walk around? Dude. I feel way better.
Good. So you said you're teaching squats, so are you training?
Well,
people?
deadlifts tomorrow. So
movements or like-
yeah, it's just like you teach the class, you demo the movement.
Take a breath in. Let it out.
Oh my God. Whoa. That's insane. It's crazy. You feel it like literally up to your head, like the top of my head.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh,
Good start.
that's nice.
Okay, so we're gonna go through the mid back here, nice and relaxed. Good. Another one here.
Oh my goodness.
Good.
Oh
Nice
my
one.
God.
Okay, we're gonna drop this over, nice and relaxed.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Oh, this is so worth the 40-minute drive.
Definitely restricted. There it is.
Oh.
Well,
Stand up, see how you feel. You can be honest with me, just let me know.
no,
how you feel.
it wasn't even, I mean, the full body thing, it was truly when I was one leg over and
Yeah,
that
that felt.
felt immediate, like my headache's gone.
Yeah.
You know, so much better. I'm being totally honest. Like,
Good.
you camera,
Oh,
no camera.
I believe you.
I was like, I feel so much better. And I second guessed myself because it has been so long and I was like, I think I need to go to a real chiropractor.